Hey y'all, it's your girl T and I can only be me, and I am back with the seafood boil. I'm about to do a seafood boil for my family, y'all. And we're about to have some crabs, potatoes, eggs, corn. I'm gonna make some mussels. I'm not gonna do the whole thing like how I normally do, but I'm gonna have some of my butter sauce. I just had some of that in the freezer, so I'm gonna take it out and warm it up to thaw it out. But we're just doing a little bit of something today. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and welcome back to my old subscribers. So y'all, let's get into this video. Alright y'all, so I got the potatoes and eggs already done, so I'm just taking them up out the pot. So anyway, I done did this video already before, y'all. It's gonna be loud in the back because my family is here. But I done did this video already before, so that's why I didn't show y'all what I put in the water. But if you would like to know, then what I added to my water was some Zatarain's crab boil seasoning. I like to use this over the Ove. And I also added some chicken seasoning, and I put that for the flavor. Get out my video. You want to get in? Come say hey. Get on over here. You want to say hey?
Hey.
That's my niece, y'all. If y'all remember her from the last time. She want to sneak in the video, but don't want to say she want to get in. So yeah, I done did it. So that's what I add to my water for the seasoning or whatever. And y'all, it is so hot out the door. We gotta stay warm. I mean, warm. We gotta stay cool, honey, because it's too hot. It's stroke season, honey. So I'm gonna just let those other potatoes boil because I want to make sure that I got enough for everybody, and that few little corn for the ones that want some corn. And I'm looking the wrong way, so y'all forgive me. I know I look rough. I know I look hot, but we can't be looking cute trying to have no seafood boil because, honey, we gonna get down and dirty. So the crabs that I bought was from Sam's, and it was these right here, and they alright. I mean, they ain't the best crabs, but they're okay. We went to the seafood service that we got here, and those crabs was like too expensive, like for 2 snow crabs. What up, Kurt? Y'all, you all in my video.
I'm all in your video, okay.
So you gonna say hey to the family.
Bring it back. Let me spray it on back. Hey, family.
So anyway, what was I saying? Oh, we went to the seafood service, and just for 2 large crabs was gonna be what, about $20, something like that. 2 clusters, just 2. I'm like, honey, ain't nobody finna spend no $20 for no 2 clusters, and I can just go right on over here to Sam's and spend about $22 for a bag of crabs. They ain't this, they ain't big or nothing like that, but at least I'm gonna get a bang for my money, because I told y'all now, if I'm gonna waste wisely, and I felt like I was being robbed going over to get them crabs, even though I know that they is good, but still, that's just too high for me. And I needed more than 2 little large crabs. That was just too much money. So anyway, yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. So I will be back whenever I get ready to get some of the crabs put into this water. But I need to taste my water. I'm gonna taste the potato. Okay. It's not spicy. They be about to go crazy when I put too much seasoning in. and then you buy spicy, too spicy or whatever. So I'm not gonna make them spicy, but I'm gonna make them where they seasoned enough. So yeah, y'all, what I do, when I was telling you about my butter, the leftover butter that I have, I just take it and I put it in the freezer and I freeze it, and it come out just like it was when I made it. Just warm it up. So I'm having that with my mussels and my crabs and my potatoes, y'all. It's gonna be so good. So anyway, y'all. Anyway, we almost at the 1,000 subscribers, y'all. We doing good. We almost there. And y'all don't forget to check the description box for information that I may forget to say in the video. I do put it in the description box. So y'all don't forget to check that description box for that information. And I know that, you know, certain things that people may ask me, if I forget to say it in the video, I will put it in the description box, okay? So I will be back when I go to put the crabs in the pots. Alright. Okay, y'all, so now I'm taking this one out with the corn. And I like to do it in layers. I don't like to put everything in at one time. It's all going in the same water, but everything don't cook the same, so that's why I like to do it in layers. Alright, so I got the crabs in there and I'm going to let them boil for about 7 to 8 minutes. That's about it. Not too long. Not too long. Just let them boil. I want to say about 7 to 8 minutes. And then 10 at the most. Alrighty. And I'll be back. I'm gonna end this video, y'all. So this is my boil right here. I want to thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, y'all be blessed. This your girl Tiana. I can only be me. Y'all see that? That look good, don't it? Peace and love always.